Hey everyone, Phil Strader here in the museum of the SIG Experience Center. And usually when you see me, it's product video time, and today is no different. Usually this means I'm going to cost you a little bit of money. You're going to see this video and go, oh no, what has SIG done now? Well, this is also one of those videos, but this is different. This is different than any video I've ever done before because the product I'm going to show you today is exclusive to here, the SIG Experience Center. You can only buy it here, and we're only making a very limited number. I think the number is 800 or 900 of these, and that's all that will ever be made, and they can only be bought at the SIG Experience Center. Are you ready to see it? Okay. First, it's not a gun, shockingly, and it's called the MP320 Cal-X Kit. Now, Cal-X Kit means, yes, it's not a gun, but holy cow, look at this thing. This is what comes in the box. All right. First, it has a folding brace. This brace has been shortened. So you've got your 13-inch requirement from here to here. But it also comes with this, a Romeo 5X optic. This comes in the box with the product. So you get your Cal-X kit, your brace, your optic, and it comes with a 30-round magazine. And it also comes with a piece that is used to replace your slide cap. So this little guy, the charging handle, can grab hold of that piece. And it looks like this. I took this slide and I stuck that piece on it. And that is the slide racking insert that goes on your slide cap. It's very easy to install, and that actually hooks onto the charging handle. So this is an AR style charging handle, ambi charging handle. Now, it will not fit in a standard AR. It's unique to this platform only. And of course, it comes with an upper and a lower. Now, the lower is a standard 320 kind of a grip module, if you will. I'm going to remove the pin in the back here, pull that straight out like an AR-15. The bottom and the upper, the lower and the upper, pull apart like that. So this is basically your grip module now, and it has a pick rail in the back that this brace, or stock if you SBR it, we'll talk about that later, bolts onto the back of. Your FCU fits just inside here like it would in any normal 320. In fact, if you notice, there's an ambi thumb safety on both sides. So here's the point. This can only be used with a non-manual safety standard P320 FCU. X5 Legion, standard 320, it'll all fit in here as long as it's not a manual safety FCU, because the manual safety comes with it. This actually blocks the trigger of your FCU when you put it in there. So you put in your FCU, you put in your takedown lever, and you can take your slide, whether it be a full size or a compact, and slide it right on the rails just like you normally would any other P320 Cal-X. But this is where it gets interesting, is the upper assembly is all aluminum. It comes with this hand stop that is bolted on with 2 screws on either side, which this is polymer, but everything else is alloy. And this is a 1913 top rail, and underneath there's a 1913 bottom rail that you could install a flashlight or whatever accessory you would like. So once you get your FCU, your slide, your barrel, your recoil assembly, basically your upper, you attach it on here, lock it in, and then you'll put this over that assembly, just like so. And then you'll put your pin in from the back, and you'll have an MP320 converted 320. But what makes it unique is that it's only going to be made for a limited time. There's only so many of these built, and we will never build them again. And it's compatible, of course, I didn't mention this, it's compatible with a 17-round magazine as well. So you can fit your 17-round mag in, your 21-round mag, or the 30-round mag that comes with it. That's what you get, this package and the slide cap and the 30-round magazine for under $600. And it's only available here at the SEC. So for those of you who are thinking about, this product and what you could do with it, well, I'm already ahead of you, because you're thinking maybe I could SBR my 320 and put a stock and all kinds of cool stuff on it. And that's exactly what we've done here. This 320 has been SBR'd. We added an actual stock to it, a longer stock. We added a 6-inch threaded barrel. And you might be asking yourself, where'd you get that from? More on that later. And a Mod X non-suppressor. Just put this together, and I am going to shoot this on the range today. Can't wait for that. But I mentioned the 6-inch barrel. Well, we have those too here. We only have about 250 of them. So if you come by an MP320 and you want to have your 6-inch barrel that's threaded, you need to get it here because we don't have that many. These are more limited than the MP320 Cal-X kits, but they'll fit with a standard full-size slide. They'll fit with this one, a carry slide. They may fit with a subcompact, wouldn't recommend it. Keep it to a 3.9-inch or a 4.7-inch slide and they will work quite well. In fact, that's what's in that gun right there. So that is the MP320 in a nutshell. Probably the most fun you can have with your 320, and with an optic for under $600, I have a hard time thinking of anything else that can compete with that, especially with the fun factor involved with this product. Again, only available here at the SEC, available for under $600. And if you want to find out more about the MP320 or any SIG product, make sure to go to our website at sigsauer.com or sigsaueracademy.com for this specifically. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, SIG SAUER and SIG SAUER Academy, to make sure you see all of our latest videos. We know we running it now. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Yeah.